starting with Python. In this chapter, we will learn the features of Python, learn to write a Python program and learn data types. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum. It can be used to follow both procedural approach and object-oriented approach of programming. Features of Python. Python is easy to learn. It is portable or platform independent. It is an interpreted language that is object oriented. Python can be used to create a web application, Android application, games, GUI application, console applications. The mechanics of creating a Python program. Editor accepts the typing of the source code. Source file, the file that contains the program you prepared in the editor after you save it with .py. Compiler translates source code into machine language. Interpreter. It's like compiler, it's worked differently. An interpreter translates source code to machine code language as the program runs. Object file. The file containing the translated source code .obj. Executable code. The file containing the final product .exe. A program is a sequence of instructions that specifies how to perform a computation. We can use Python interpreter in two modes, interactive mode and script mode. In interactive mode, Python interpreter waits for you to enter commands. In script mode, Python interpreter runs a program from the source file. Interactive mode. Python interpreted in interactive mode is commonly known as Python shell. Data types, variables and constants. We know that program is a sequence of instructions. These instructions are formed by certain symbols and words according to some rules. Python has its own vocabulary and grammar. Character sets. Using characters, we can form words, numbers and expressions. The characters in Python are grouped into letters, digits and special characters, white spaces. Keywords and identifiers. Every Python word is classified as either a keyword or an identifier. Keywords are the words which have no fixed meaning and these meanings cannot be changed, but is also known as reserved words. In Python, keywords are case sensitive. There are 33 keywords in Python. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.